3 meme coins you need to buy now. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking at 3 meme coins that have great potential and you may want to load up a bag of now while there are great opportunities to earn a bag. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, it's not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the projects we cover on this channel, and I'm going to link the projects in the description below with places you could buy. Now let's take a look at what's going on in the crypto market right now, guys. Overall, we're starting to see crypto re-enter the green. Volume is down by 40%, but the overall market cap is up by 3.7%, which is good to see. Gases are pretty low, which is great to see. Also, we are re-entered greed. Yesterday we were back in the yellow zone, and now we're slowly retracing back into the green as people are starting to buy up coins again. The Bitcoin halving has successfully passed, which is great, and a very highly anticipated event. What does this mean for the overall crypto market, and what's next? Today we're going to be taking a look at 3 coins that you want to buy now, and we are taking a look starting on the trending list. As you can see, Pepe trending at number 6 and Dogwifhat trending at number 7. These coins are starting to get back in the green, upwards of 15% on the day, 12% on the day, 36% on the week. What's going on here? The first project we're going to want to talk about is Pepe coin. I'll give a top list without introducing Pepe. As you can see, guys, Pepe has been making some solid gains today and even this week after a pretty bloody month. Very close to the Bitcoin halving, we can see a lot of downward selling potential, a lot of downward selling pressure going on, and you can see down over 26%. So even though we're pumped 21 or 14% on the day, the reason why this is on the top 3 buy list is this coin's going to continue to pump. It's down 30%, which is definitely going to make a swift recovery, especially now that it's post Bitcoin halving and people are starting to rebuy crypto again. This is a great opportunity to get a literally 26% off discount on a blue chip meme coin. We're currently ranked at number 46 with a $2.4 billion market cap. It's been dancing around with a $3 billion mark, as we can see over here, $3.7 billion just a couple of weeks ago. This is a coin you're not going to want to miss out on. It has a lot of upside potential. I think this bull market, Pepe is going to the moon. A lot of great news coverage as well, guys. You know, Pepe price prediction ahead of the Coinbase listing, the Coinbase futures, a bunch of really interesting things, parallel trading. Pepe has a lot of bullish things, so you definitely want to load up a bag of Pepe if you haven't already. Obviously not financial advice. Next coin on this list is Dogwifhat, a Solana-based cryptocurrency that has took the internet by storm. It has literally flipped Pepe, currently ranking at 38 on CoinMarketCap with a $3.1 billion market cap. And again, if we look on the month, guys, we can see at one point it was sitting close to $4.8 billion worth of market cap, which is absolutely insane for a brand new crypto project. Currently trading at $3. This could easily be trading upwards of $10 in the very near future. On the month, we are still up a whopping 23%. We can see we are up 23%, but all of these gains we made earlier are yet to be made again. So again, this is a great opportunity to buy in. On the year, obviously this is up tremendously, 1700%, and I think it's going to continue to go in the green direction, in the upwards trajectory. We're up 11% on the day, also with a lot of great coverage as well. Dogwifhat price pumps 5% ahead of Coinbase effect, ahead of a possible Coinbase effect. Dogwifhat is trending, 3rd largest meme coin. So much great news for Dogwifhat, a lot of great coverage. Hence, you know, the more people knowing about the project, the better it's going to be for us investors, and the better it's going to be for earning a bag on Dogwifhat and other meme coins. Now, Solana themed coins are going crazy on the internet right now, and people are looking like they're having a lot of success buying into these Solana projects. And Dogwifhat being a leader on the Solana space, it would make sense to load up a bag if you haven't already. Now, talking about Solana and talking about dog themed tokens, and also it's Doge Day. How can we not talk about DogeVerse, the world's first train traveling Doge? Yes, the Doge goes on the multiverse. And guys, at the time of filming this video, there's 19 hours left before the price hike. You're going to want to load up a bag. They've already raised $8.6 million, and it's currently on pre-sale right now. I'm gonna link in the description below where you could buy. Now, the cool thing about this coin is it's multi-chain. You can buy and claim DogeVerse on any of the following chains: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, and coming very soon to Solana, which has been a very popular chain. It's a chain hopping Doge. This is pretty cool. It's a multi multi-chain, again on 6 different chains. It's been featured on a ton of different places with a multi-bridge utility. The DogeVerse token will be launched on ETH, BNB, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, and Base. Utilizing superior bridge technology, DogeVerse will seamlessly be multi-chain in just a few clicks. They have a solid roadmap in place, guys, with the ending phases wanting to be listed on centralized exchanges, lots of marketing, and community incentives. So a lot of exciting things happening for DogeVerse that you're not going to want to miss out on. Also, it has staking as well, so you could be earning a bag on your coins with a 125% dynamic range staking. So currently it's at 125%, and I've seen it's upwards of 400% as well. So you're absolutely not going to want to miss out on a gem of a project like DogeVerse. I'm going to link it in the comment section below, and as well as the description. We can even see on Twitter, 6.7 million followers, $8.7 million raised. Very active on Twitter as well. You're not going to want to miss out on this puppy. This could be that next 100x gem. And on DogeVerse, we had to mention a Doge themed token. That pretty much wraps up the list, guys. I want you to let me know what you think about the list in the comment section below. Are you bullish on any of the projects I mentioned? Are you going to be loading up a bag? I want to hear it all in the comment section. That wraps up the video. Like always, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And that wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.